Hello friends, I am Africa and I'm going to explain translations and slides. Like we have already said, it consists to display one point or one figure several times with the same module, reaction, and direction of the vector u. So let's see with GeoGebra. We are going to choose one point. For example, I have chosen the point 1, 2. Then we choose a vector, for example, this one, and then we click on transformations. We click on our point and then in our vector, and it would be like this. Now, if we want to prove with a polygon, we are going to follow the same steps. We choose a polygon, for example, this one. The vector, we can take the same or a new one. I prefer to make new one. Then we click on transformations again. We click on our polygon and then in our vector. So this is we can repeat it the times that we want. So it is. Goodbye.